So when it comes to restaurant cleaning, the guys are just so good at it. And the equipment that we give them allows them to take their talent, which they're phenomenal at, and then we add the equipment. It's just phenomenal. And then our chemicals are right here. We usually use Sager. When it comes to quarry tile in kitchens, we'll use Viper Venom, which is great with the grout. A lot of the restaurant carpets, we need to use Code Red. Our Aero-tech truck will take care of that, no issues at all. We'll dry the carpet before we leave. A lot of time the carpet's dry within an hour. And then the other thing that we'll do a lot with carpets and floors in restaurants is we'll put some lemon or cherry deodorizer in there, which will help freshen it up. And then the other thing that we do is the machine down here, it's a CRB. We will scrub the carpet first. What it does is two brushes that are going in opposite directions. It'll pull the fibers up and it'll clean both sides of the fibers and then extract everything. There's really not gonna be anything left in your carpet. There's a lot of restaurants that we do where we're doing them once a month. The minute a customer doesn't think that your place is clean, especially in the restaurant business, it's gonna be a problem. And I'm a big believer that the people working in the building will have more pride in their work when the building is clean. As far as anything carpet or floor related, we can take care of it.